computing. What is the type of cloud computing? What is ITIL? What is ITSM? What is ITBM? What is ITOM? And what is ServiceNow? Who founded ServiceNow? Getting around in ServiceNow. So I'm going to cover all this topic today. This is a demo section actually. Okay, anyone knows what is cloud computing here?
Not really. We are not aware of it.
Cloud
Yeah,
computing,
it does
you are
not
not
related
aware.
to servers. It will not include servers, and we can work anywhere, any place.
Always we are using the cloud computing without our knowledge. Already we have a Gmail account, right? Wherever we can go, we can access it, right? So how? Through the internet. Through the internet, we can access the services, programs, set of programs, all those things. So what is cloud computing? So the use of services or computer program that are and through the internet, then one by are put on the computer. So cloud computing is always an demand delivery IT resources. Like whenever we go through Gmail, Facebook, all this Gmail, we can store up to 15 GB with a free of cost. So whenever you just go out, you have a mail. If you get an offer from other company, you will get a mail. So through internet, just on the internet, you can access the Gmail account. So that is called cloud computing. So what are the types of cloud computing? So we have a deployment module and service module. Cloud computing can be differentiated based on this deployment module and service module. So what is that deployment module? There is a public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud. So public cloud in the sense we can access all the people. Like hybrid cloud means these two can hybrid with one. It's like a child. So you people, some part will be public and some part will be private. So that is called hybrid. Private cloud in the sense I only use, no one cannot use this cloud. So this is called private public. And the other types, so this only we can use in ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a cloud computing tool. That's what we need this topic initially. Okay, so what is that? IaaS, infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, software as a services. So why ServiceNow come into the picture? In the sense, ServiceNow also through this link. So this is the link. You can see my screen. Google Chrome screen. It's loading. So through this one link, like see, you can see my link in the above, dev59366.servicenow.com. Through this link, we can access it. We can access it and use it. Okay, so through this link we can access. So that is why it's like a cloud computing. So it is a cloud computing. That's what. So what next? What next we need to know? One is cloud computing and another one is ITIL. So ITIL, you people already aware. Even someone says that I'm not sure. So who says? Sagar? Sagar?
Yeah, Lakshmi.
I'm able to hear you. Yes, Sagar, you already working on ITL technology. You know ITL. What is that, Sagar?
No, I am not working on ITIL, Lakshmi. I'm working in a content review process. Maybe Pawan
Oh,
have told
sorry.
you that
Someone from
I'm working
Messenger,
on
they
ticketing
said
process.
I'm working ServiceNow administrator. Yeah, Pawan? Yeah, sorry, Sagar.
No,
Pawan,
it's Santosh, I think.
what is
Santosh.
ITL? ITIL.
No, Lakshmi. Actually, the Santosh is working, I
Again,
think so.
sorry,
Because,
Santosh.
yeah, no problem.
Yeah, Lakshmi, actually, I know
Santosh.
very small thing. ITIL. Yeah, Lakshmi, could you hear me?
Yeah, I
Hello.
can hear you. A little bit voice is breaking, Santosh. Lot of background noises.
Now also it's dead.
Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead, Santosh.
Actually, ITIL is information technology infrastructure library. Actually, these libraries have some APIs and set of guidelines and how to use a minimum. It gives some guidelines. Whereas if you see somewhere when we are developing some software or some model when we are developing, then what you called there are certain guidelines for developing a software. Means that should be there should be unique code and you should not copy someone code. Copyright should not be disturbed. Like that, there are certain guidelines are there, and those libraries also are available. Like API defaultly you can take. If suppose I want to one have login page or something. I need not sit and write start HTML, open head, close head like this. There are already libraries. If I just import that library like hash include HTI.h, conif.h in C, those are default libraries. Similarly, here also we have default libraries where we can just import and just use it. That much only I know. Is that right, Lakshmi, or something you want to add?
Okay, Santosh, thank you. Yeah, correct only. So how you people know the this one? So what is ITIL? In the sense, so ITIL is what it means in the sense whatever you say is exactly correct, Santosh. So like when you are going to buy some milk, for example, if you're going to some milk, so there is a food standard, right? Some food have some standards like this much day it will be expiry, and is this working for the it is good for the human being. So some set of guidelines need to be followed from the milk processing team. So the same thing follow this, that is called ITIL. Here we are following the information technology infrastructure library. It is a globally recognized one, like all people accept this one. We have to follow this all the rules and regulation in the IT companies. For example, IT companies have all people already ticketing. One suppose your laptop is not working fine. So that time we can just contact the IT support team. Hi people, hi hello. So here like Lakshmi. So I cannot able to log in my laptop. So we need to follow some process. Yeah, next what I do, I will create an incident record. The user says that the user is facing this issue, so I'm creating one record, and record will says that I'm working on this ticket, tracking purpose also. So we have followed this guidelines through ITL only. We have a ITL certified also, that will I will show you. Okay, so detailed designs of ITIL. So here, what is ITIL aware? So someone from your team, can you please, what you understand? Please tell me. Pavan, Sahar, anyone? So I'm always asking
It's act.
question. So you people answer only. I can move it to further. Yeah, Pavan, go ahead,
Oh,
Pavan.
yeah, what I understand it, it's actually services which will be
What
provided
we
to the. Yep.
mm, okay.
I
So
mean,
what is
if the user face
ITIL?
any issue, if the user face any issue, that is accidentally, if they face any
Okay.
issue regarding this, so then they will contact to the some team actually, the IT team or IT help desk, what they will call. So from them, they will raise a ticket and they will get assigned to the another team.
Yeah, correct. What is ITIL means? It's a guidelines. ITL means in interview, the people will ask you the question. What is cloud computing? So cloud computing is through the use of services through the computers or programs through the internet. So next, what are the types of computing? So you can say based on deployment model and service model, we can differentiate. So next question is what is ITIL? So why we study all those things, cloud computing, types of cloud computing, ITL? I will say the answer. Please wait up to the next or next slide. Okay. So ITL means it's like a standard we need to follow in the ITSM. Okay. ITL. So now who founded ServiceNow and why we need ServiceNow? So ServiceNow founder. Who is the founder? ServiceNow is an American cloud company which is headquarters in Santa Clara, California. It was founded by in 2004 by Farad Ludi. Okay, see, we need to know, right, who founded this tool. We need to see, it will come on 2004 only, but nowadays the very demand technology is ServiceNow. You people already aware, right? So in ServiceNow, there is a lot and lot of openings for ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, and administration and development. Okay, so not many people are aware that initially this company was coined as a Glidesoft Inc. So later 2006 only it was named as a ServiceNow. Initially what is called Glidesoft Inc. Any doubt here, Pavan? Anyone? Prakash? Sahar? Santosh?
Yeah, actually,
No doubt,
Lakshmi
Lakshmi.
has some doubt. Actually, which language this ServiceNow is using? Means front end, back end, any language it is using, or it is using its own.
Which language in the sense? JavaScript. Yeah, JavaScript is the one which is used for JavaScript, Santosh. JavaScript, the one which is used for to write the code in client script, UI policy, all those things. Okay, and for service portal, we are using HTML, CSS, all those things for service portal, especially. For integration, we are using JSON. Don't worry, mostly all the things will be in JavaScript.
Okay,
Can I
Lakshmi.
go ahead?
You can go ahead.
Thank you. So now why we need ServiceNow? What is ServiceNow first? ServiceNow is a software platform which support ITSM. It helps you to automate ITBM. It is a cloud-based tool. What the first definition we studied is what is cloud. Okay, it is a cloud-based platform. It designed based on ITIL guidelines. So the second definition what we taught is ITIL. ServiceNow focus on service orientation toward the task, activity, and the processor. So someone will ask you, what is ServiceNow? You can say that ServiceNow is a cloud-based tool. ServiceNow follow the ITL guidelines, and ServiceNow is a software platform which support ITSM and ITBM. Any doubts here?
Lakshmi, I have one doubt. Actually, it is a cloud-based platform. Means we are using PaaS, platform as a service. That's it.
No, SAS as well as PAS.
Okay.
Platform in the sense, like what we have to say, cloud-based platform. Like it is based on cloud. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So what is ServiceNow? Now understand anyone? Any doubts here? Please let me know. Prakash, Pavan, Sahat, Santosh.
No,
No.
Lakshmi.
No doubts.
You can go ahead, Lakshmi.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So now, so what are the version? How the version will be? Always in a year they will give the instance. Actually, instance is free of cost. You already aware. You people already aware. There is a personal developer instance in Google. You can just go and log in your name. You can create a new instance. Then there is a developer option. So we can whatever we want. We can like a requirement will be based on that. You can create a new user, color changing. All those things can be done through personal developer instance. We have here version, so many version. 2004 to up to 2020, there is a 16 years. 16 years have so many version. Halbin, Berlin, ABCD wise. It should be a alphabetical order. And the city name, Halbin is the one of the city country name, which is a famous city in one of the particular country they will took. Kingston is a one of the famous names. Okay, it starts from, I cannot put all the things in the slide. So I can start with the K. So recent version is Paris. And upcoming version name is cubic Q. Next P means next Paris, then Q. Q means cubic. Cubic is one of the city famous city in some of the state country. So it's based on that. In a year, we can release the two versions. So one is Kingston, one is London, one is Madrid, one is New York, one is Orlando, one is Paris. So last 2020, we have the Orlando and Paris. Okay, some tricky questions. So if you put an experience on ServiceNow, 2 years experience. So what is the version you are using? Santosh. In interview, they will ask you which version you lastly worked. You are joined to start as a career in ServiceNow at 2018. You can say. So what is the version you are using?
Kingston, London.
Kingston,
In
London.
which yes, correct. So this is a like they will check whether you have worked on this ServiceNow platform or not. So you just be very clear on the instances. So next.
Lakshmi, suppose if they are asking, are there any major, it's only just features upgradation or completely they are changing something like that in these versions?
No. Which versions you are able to working, and they will ask what is the difference between Kingston and the upcoming version. Paris, Cubic, Orlando. What is the? There is a document, ServiceNow documents. I will share with you in the meanwhile. So that time you can understand what is the new features and what are the new. Like always, once upgraded, they should be added some features, new features. See these two versions, right? Some advanced, like virtual task agent, agent workspace. Some advanced features will be adding, always adding to the service now. That's why still now service now is an odd skill. Okay. So now I coming to the what is ITSM. So ITSM is a separate topic, but still we need to know. Initially, we know ServiceNow. Then which module you are working. So this ITSM is a separate module, separate application. Sorry, not module. Application we are working here. So ITSM, Information Technology Service Management. What is this? Anyone have a? So if you are working on incident management, change management, access management, anyone problem management, so someone will say in that call like, I already know that hour of creating an incident. So incident will come into the ITSM role. Okay, I will teach you depth in the upcoming sections. So ITBM in the sense, ServiceNow supporting ITBM. Like ITBM in the sense, application portfolio management. So business management. For business, you know, project, resource, demand, time card, resource management, financial modeling, all those things, all those things we can cover through ITBM. Okay, so this also separate application. So in this section, in this in this training, we are covering ITSM, administrator, and development. Okay, so what and all getting around in service now. So what and all. So you already aware. I told you in Google you can go and check the instance. It's a free of cost. So one moment. So this is a ServiceNow instance. Through this URL, developer.servicenow.com, then it will open your instance. You already know how developer instance. Speaker.
Lakshmi, your voice was
Oh,
chopping.
yes,
We couldn't
yes.
hear.
We can't hear you properly, Lakshmi.
No one have a developer instance.
Yeah, I do have
We
developer
haven't heard.
instance. So
We can't hear
You
you,
have.
Lakshmi.
hello, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, we can't hear you.
I think she have network issue, bro.
Did someone created developer instance?
No, Santosh, I have not created. Maybe Pawan have created. I guess he was replying.
Pawan, actually, I'm sitting with my
Yes,
laptop.
yes, yes. I have created.
Could you please guide me how to do that?
I think the network is working. Okay.
Oh, Sagar,
Yeah, Lakshmi. I didn't
Prakash.
heard what you said.
Okay.
Yeah,
Look,
good.
Lakshmi, I can actually we can't hear
Yeah,
you
yeah. My
properly.
network changed now.
Now we can hear you.
Yep.
Now is it fine?
No.
Much better.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yes.
what my connection was reset.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
So this is an instance. Yeah. Okay. So this is an instance. So you have already the developer instance, or else go and create a new one. So I always give you the lab section. For example, this is an instance. Okay. So what and all this one getting surrounding on ServiceNow. This is called banner. What is this called? Banner. And this is called
Banner.
filter up navigate filter navigator or
Application
application
navigator.
navigator. And this, yeah, this is called content frame. So content will be displayed when I click on any application in the filter navigation. It just display here. Okay, so this is a banner, this is a filter navigation, and this is a content frame. Okay, so only the small exercise. So I'm just teach you now. So I want to change this one. We have a in ServiceNow we have a 3 or 4 instance based on the project. Okay, so what is that? One is this one, like one is development, another one is test, another one is pre-prod, another one is production. Okay, 4 instance, sometimes 3 instance. Dev, test, prod, 3 only, sometimes 4 instance based on the project, which project and which client. Okay, so here sometimes I have a doubt, like this will be in green in color. I want to go with some differentiate color. So themes, go to themes, I want this color. So it won't affect anybody. It will only applicable to me only. So how to check? How to check? So this is, yeah, now this color should be red, dark red in color. Okay. How say there is an impersonate user for testing. So it will affect for anyone or not. I just go here, search Abraham Lincoln. It will impersonate. See, for Abraham Lincoln, it should be green in color. Correct? So there is an option called impersonate user. We can check the end user. Like here we have a end impersonation. I just click on end impersonation. It will come to back. So this is the one impersonate user means we can impersonate as an end user and check whether they have access or not. Sometimes user says, I don't have access. Could you please check on this some modules? You can impersonate through this option, impersonate user. That is the purpose of impersonate user. Okay. So what is this called? Anyone? Prakash? Prakash?
Yeah. If we
What is
don't
this,
have any
Prakash?
access, we can access through that option. Impersonate user. We can access that.
The user, end user does not have a option. Like they say that I don't have an ITIL role. Based on role, I cannot access the incident. If the end user says that word, then we can go with the impersonate option. This is for testing purposes. Impersonate
Okay.
user, it's the one for testing purposes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now the requirement. is creating a user. You people already know the user, but still I'm teaching that user. For example, go type user under system or organization. You can see system security. Under system security, this is before going to user. I just show you this one. What is this and what is this? So here you can see this is called application. You click on left hand side, there is a pencil button. You can see, right? Edit application. This is a application along with their module. So if I click on application, this is a module from the application. Relationship, CI relation types. Okay, so this is a module and this is an application. This is a module and this is an application. So without one module, at least one module, we need to show the application. What is application? Group of set of modules provide the information related to the module, that is called application. What is application and what in ServiceNow? It provides the set of detailed information about its module, that is called application. Okay, so here there is a system security application. Under there is a user module. Click on it. You can create a new user. Click on new. So here we can create a new record. So user ID, I can say that Lakshmi and first name Lakshmi and C. And okay, so I'm saving. So now the record is created for Lakshmi. So here, so what is the difference? I will tell you. Now Lakshmi is logged in. Okay, Lakshmi said, I don't have access on incident. For incident, we need at least ITIL role. Lakshmi can able to see only self incident, not other incident. This is the scenario. I just impersonate to now Lakshmi, impersonate user, Lakshmi. So I'm trying to like Lakshmi say Lakshmi cannot have that incident. Okay, just type incident. She can only see the incident, not the other module which I can see. Correct, Pavan, Prakash, Pavan,
Yeah.
Santosh, Kiran.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it, Lakshmi.
Yeah. So this is the scenario. Okay. So end impersonate. So now what I will do, I will give you a ITIL role to R. This is only for testing purpose. We can use the impersonate user. So user. So under system def security module, security application, we can see the now. So Lakshmi C, I'm opening this one and providing the here we can give the role. I will give the role to ITL role to Lakshmi, whether she can able to see after giving an ITL role. Okay, so now I'm adding role ITIL. Save it. Now I'm trying to access the same profile, impersonate user, Lakshmi. Now I'm typed incident. You can see now more. Any doubts here? What is impersonate and how to create a user and how to add the roles? Any doubt here, Prakash,
Yeah. No. No, Lakshmi.
Pavan, Sagar,
No, not clear.
Santosh?
Okay.
It's clear, Lakshmi.
Okay. So what are the syllabus we are
And
covering here? I will show
I do
you.
have a small doubt. Look, once we create
Yeah, Pavan,
once
go
we
ahead.
create an instance, so it will valid up to 10 days, I think so, right? It will get activated in 10 days. So after 10 days, it will go to hibernate mode. So before 10 days,
Yes.
let's take an example on 5th day. I logged into developer.servicenow.com. Just now, I created a 3 records.
Okay.
Imagine after 10
Okay.
days, I haven't opened until 10 days. Then after that, it's showing that it got hibernate. So
But
whatever the records
your
which I have
instance
created,
will
3
be.
records,
Hmm.
yes, will it get deleted, or else will it be saved in my developer
No, like
instance?
there is a two option in service now. So you want the same instance with the same record, you can reclaim. It will try to reclaim. See, if you open on the 10th day itself, your
Mm-hmm.
all the record will be restored. Okay. If you not
Okay.
open on the 10th day, again your instance will be given to someone. Okay, your
Oh,
own
okay.
records will not be there. Now there is an option reclaimed with all the related data with the new instance. The instance start with 6363, for example. Okay, 6363. Now it changed the number, but it allow the option to provide the reclaimed record. For example, the tree record, it will retry. If more than 10 days, 11 days, that's fine. 11 days also fine. If more than 12 days or 13
Okay.
days, it won't be possible
Mm-hmm.
from ServiceNow.
Okay. So it will get moved
Okay.
to another. Okay.
Yes. It like it's a cloud based, right? So if I cannot use the Gmail for a long time, so what else? So it will be wiped, like it will be used by someone, right? So yeah, I'm sharing the topic so which need to be covered in this courses. So intro service now
Okay.
and log on to service now, application and modules, list, forms, tables, quick search, tips, creating incident. Next, configuring users groups, how to create a users groups, and basic list form list modification, and then UI policy, UI action and scripting. Here only JavaScript, full and fullest JavaScript. What is client script, business script, UI action, and all those things. Then table, how to create a table. What is schema map, creating a table. In table, how to create a application and modules, all those things. Then notification, email notification. So what is email notification? When user touch your table, what and all things and updates it. These are all developer parts. Up to creating table and UI policy, up to this one. These are all developer parts. Okay. Then transform map, all those things will come as an admin, and SLA, you know already, but still I'm teaching through the ITSM module. After ITSM module, I will start SLA and service catalog. Catalog again, developer section. It's very easy to learn. Service now is there. And security. Security is user view, role-based security, caller, and report charges, home pages. Going further, how to activate the integration plugins. So any doubts, any questions?
No, Lakshmi.
Okay, Prakash. So Pavan, so today I'm going to end the section. So any doubts or anything, you can contact Subbu for further going training, or what is the feedback you just give to him.
Okay, Lakshmi, thank you.
Okay, Lakshmi.
Okay. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Sagar. Okay, Santosh. Okay, Pavan. And also, I will provide this PPT for your reference. You just go through always, and always I'm giving a task after creating an instance. Just create a 5-user or 10-user. I will giving you always task. So whatever I teach today, you can complete tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Lakshmi.
everyone. Bye. Have a nice.
Same to you.
Thank you. You too.